Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Instagram Reels share friend list not showing in your Android problem. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start video. Guys, if you're watching any reel, while watching any reel, if you're sharing this reel to your friends and you're not seeing friends list in share option, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, first what you have to do, you have to just long press on your Instagram app, then click on app info, or you will find here I button, tap on that. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. After that, here you will find storage and cache, tap on this, tap on clear cache, then go back, then open the Play Store, then search for Instagram. In bottom you will find search option, tap on that, then search for Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. Just tap on update. After completion of this update, then go back, open your Instagram app, tap on your Instagram profile icon. Then in top right side corner you will find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on 3 horizontal lines, then scroll down. Under more info and support you will find help option, tap on that, then tap on report a problem. Turn this option off, shake phone to report a problem. If it is enabled, you have to just disable this option, then tap on report a problem, tap on include and continue. Here you need to type, hi Instagram team, Reels share friend list option not showing for me, so please fix this issue as soon as possible. After typing this matter, you have to upload this screenshot where you are not seeing that friends list. Just take that screenshot, then tap on send button. After sending, you have to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram Reels share friends list not showing problem on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.